David, thank you. 1 week before Thanksgiving, and two local military families are giving thanks. They were presented with newly refurbished cars and a trunk full of gifts. The car donations from Caliber Collision and GEICO were restored by technicians who volunteered personal time. It's part of a national program to repair and donate cars to individuals in need of transportation. The recipients are Corporal Haley Johnson, who works full-time as a maintenance supervisor for the Army. She and her husband have 4 kids, including 3-year-old twins who were born prematurely and require round-the-clock care. The other is Sergeant Josh Dean, who has served since 1996. He and his wife have 6 kids, 2 of whom are adopted.
It means a lot. I have reliable transportation. I lost my transportation about a year ago and been borrowing transportation from people to get back and forth to work, so this really can help out a lot.
Over the past 7 years, Caliber Collision and its partners have donated nearly 350 vehicles to military service members, veterans, and others in need of reliable transportation.
A teacher